Okay. But I wish I had Microsoft Word, but hey, I wish a lot of things anyway. Let me get the old guitar out. Let's see. Circumstances beyond my control. I haven't been in touch with my mom, and she's being well cared for. Anyway, I started writing this song yesterday, and I just getting ahead of myself, and I said, I'm gonna just get the phone out and set up all the equipment, and just did this one verse, and of course there's another one, and I haven't played it yet, but I wrote it, but well, let's see. Let's see how this comes off. It's Mother's Day, 2026. And, yes, sir, I know. I'm not putting with the full deck. What the? Oh, that's. Oh, yeah. Okay, I think I better eat something and slow down a little bit. I made a couple of mistakes, but hey, nobody's perfect, right? I know. That's because you're drowning in contentment. If you're not perfect, then it means you gave up. Happy Mother's Day, 2026.